Hey guys, this series titled Where Medicine Meets Money is a crash course on hospital economics, especially curated for doctors and medical professionals. The content you will find here is distilled from my experience of what I think doctors might need the most when dealing with management and bean counters. This is a humble attempt to bridge the often overlooked gap between medicine and economics, a gap that I have seen challenge doctors, administrators, and entire ecosystems. I've always wanted to understand why the worlds of healing and the world of economics and finance are so disconnected. And in this series, I attempt to offer practical ideas to align goals, foster better understanding, and hopefully create some congruence. It is a personal journey shaped by real experiences, a lot of missteps, and lessons learned, mostly the hard way. It is not perfect, but I guarantee you it is honest. I have strong opinions and I will not shy away from sharing them, but I'm not here to preach. I want to spark thought, stir emotion, and take you to the crossroads where good compromises can be found when economics and medicine jostle for space, jostle for dominance. I will also reveal dangers that often hide in plain sight. I ignored every expert who told me to polish the style, trim the edges, and make this video more editor approved. Why? Because I wanted this to carry my personality. I wanted this to be raw, carry the flaws, my quirks, and of course, all my deficiencies. This one is for my doctor friends and for my friends in the medical industry. It is not for the grammar police or for some editorial board. I will also encourage non medical professionals to leaf through this so they understand doctors, their mindset, and their situations better. It is important that we step into each other's heads, step into each other's shoes, and try to see the world from another point of view, a rare quality, but a priceless one. Finally, I hope that this is not a one way street and that it becomes a dialogue, a conversation, and hopefully you'll find yourself in it. So let's get started. Here it is, raw, real, and hopefully a fun and adventurous ride where medicine meets money, why hospitals behave the way they do, and how it matters. Enjoy the parts you like, and I'll forgive you for skipping the rest. Before we get into content proper, just a bit about me, the author and presenter. My name is Sudhakar Jairam, SJ for short, and with over 25 years of global experience at the intersection of healthcare and technology, I had the opportunity to participate and drive transformative outcomes in healthcare systems across emerging economies. Maybe it was my ability to align stakeholders and create impactful medical programs that made me a sought after resource for hospital owners and investors. Or maybe I was just plain lucky to be surrounded by interesting and diverse assignments. Anyhow, these opportunities allowed me to hone the skills that are required to balance the science of medicine with the business of delivering healthcare. But honestly, it was really the long and arduous journey as a late stage cancer patient that allowed me to gain rare and first hand perspectives on the challenges faced by doctors on a day to day basis, insights that even my role as a CEO couldn't provide me. This deeply personal experience refined my outlook of hospital economics and the delicate balance between clinical priorities and financial realities. Let's begin the conversation. Feel free to comment and follow me on some of the social media handles that I've listed on the slide here. Let's get on to content properly.